Onua and the cousin can affect a finance minister. Now, me come here point no. Me come here point no. Sabi senior who to unyeska. One about her the first. If not your wife, your family, your standard family. And they came in and they work. And then this for the propaganda. I mean, who say, Akuffo the money nipa boni for being si we said that. Teacher for who you 3 years. Mama said, look, get away, I'm going to pay you 3 months. Or 2 or 3 months, mutimi kasai. Sa arrest ma nanado buy obetu Kenya mamu. Muhini mujidi. Nurses muko school near mama allowance. Mama said, look, Ghana won't cherry. We can't pay scale if you come in time. Obechem. And then I see your Ghana. Now she see your Ghana. And so chem next can maybe. O chem next can maybe teacher train allowance. Nasabi. O hiani back send me admission training college. Na me jeje allowance. I'm the school fees. 3 years I'm a school na wie. Afena mu kana mutimi nko school ni bi. Mus papa we e nipa boneni. Papa we musu e nipa boneni. Na me say ahon kire e ba Ghana ne ahon amane e be ba Ghana so no. Senior. O muti Ghana de mu nu o. Ghana ye de adwane o, ye de hon oti don. E mu amuti mu no. Ye fe na mu nu. Me de manu asi bro.
From crown to can change so yakwasea. How can you tell Akuffo say Akuffo yakwasea? Hey. And a man spend me am catching say me who so dey ni bia me report na man. I dey my gas man can no. Baby, this not like my downfall, like my downfall. Yes, so my downfall, no. Wait see me. On to me because on no him say asem no kan ye no. Ana me say, se mu nyama to abetia no. Upon no yema mu nyina ma to abetia no. How can you open your mouth and tell someone say oyekwasea? Yes, and I'm si de bia amoye no. Enti na epie wano na wo kan. Ene Akuffo oyekwasea, ka ma ha mate so no. Na salary a wogine Akuffo board the 5 pesos eto so ma wogie. It will cast oyekwasea no. Like my Lucy respect amount. My gimen kasa na msmeka. It's yedu ono no na mpese menya na so jani bi misa ade na mka nche say no kan. And like since then boy no ye mehia but to the extent say utumi bi wano kasa a whole president. Even no papa ko on we wish from crampo no respect no. Now we do papa na mbisa say
before he left, the ones Akuffo inherited. Why can't he use those cars? Why is he buying a new car? Is it for security reasons or is a new president and he needs a new car? The same person who told us that money is being wasted on unnecessary things. Is the car necessary at this point? That is question number 1. Is the car necessary? And if it is necessary, what problem is the car going to solve? The presidency, hasn't the presidency got cars? What at all is this car going to solve for this country? None. So they are beginning to display this character of hypocrisy that we know it will come to play because people fail to interrogate the issues before voting. People fail to interrogate the issues. Now people are complaining from free SHS to anti-gay bill to whatever. And I told them, don't complain. We warned you that forget about their flagship program. Let's interrogate it and see whether it makes sense or not. You did not listen. You went on an emotional spree to make a choice based on your emotions. So whichever consequences come, you have to bear it. And we are bearing it as Ghanaians. But we warned you. You understand? We warned them. They did not listen. They went ahead to make a choice. Those appointees that the people they are appointing now, to me, they have no moral right or whatsoever. And I said it before on this platform that these appointees that were on Akuffo neck, Addo has done A, Addo has done B, they have no moral right to criticize the government because they all have one way or the other, they all have a corruption case pending on their necks. Akuffo, he went in, he procured an ambulance for the state, an ambulance that wasn't used. It caused a financial loss to this state. What did we do? People went on the street, supported him. People defended him, and he was not persecuted. The case was cut off at a point. Okay, what did Jinapo do to this country? He went in, procured ECG meters that were not fit for purpose. Scannership. Today, he's a substantial minister. Atufosin, today, he's a substantial minister for finance. And the media is quiet. You see, that's the hypocrisy of the Ghanaian. The media is quiet. Nobody is talking about it. We have people who took double salaries before. They never returned the money. Though they were they were tried to be prepared for court, but they never returned the money. Today, most of them are being appointed as minister designates. What did we say? What are we saying? What is the media saying? That is why I'm asking about our strategy moving forward. We don't have to let them breathe, though, because they didn't allow us to breathe. They were on our neck from December 2016, from 31st December 2016 up to 31st December 2024. After they lost, they started campaigning against free SHS. We were in this country. We knew all these things. You see, so let's prepare to hit hard. Don't the NDC guys down there saying that we are bleeding, we are bleeding. Of course, we are bleeding, and the bleeding will stop at a point. We are bleeding, and the bleeding will stop at a point. We'll deal with the issues, and they should be ready for the boots for boots, because now there's no way we are going to do propaganda with them. We are going to state the facts, because we have the fact. We just got out of government. We have all the documents. The transition documents, we have it. They also have a copy. So it's theirs against ours. When a government comes to power and say that, oh, Omina you say there is no money, blah 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 blah, and later makes a U-turn and comes and say that, oh, this car that I was giving, it was a gift. Why didn't you tell the person that, too, at this point I don't need a car? What I need is, maybe I need food for SHS students, or I need money to do XYZ projects. So if you can give me that $600 million, I can put it to good use. What is the difference between this and the National Cathedral? That is my question. I'm not talking in terms of the quantum of money, but in terms of priority, what is the difference between this and the National Cathedral? This is $600 million. $600 million. It can put up a whole edifice in this. It can put up a whole edifice in this country. It can build a school. It can build a school. It can build a hospital. So are they telling us that the car is the topmost? Exactly. So are they telling us that the car is more superior than these projects? It can complete almost 8 of the Agenda 111 going on. Almost 8. So are they telling us that the car is more important to the presidency than those deficits that we have in the health sector? So you see, they should spare us the propaganda. Now they are in government, so they can suit themselves, but we will not leave them alone.